How to delete all messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Messenger app on your device. Now simply search for the chat which you want to delete on Messenger. So simply, you need to open the particular chat. Go ahead and open your profile, tapping their profile at top left corner of the screen. Now, you simply need to tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Tap delete conversation and tap delete again to confirm that you want to delete all chat history. So, if you want to hide the conversation but not permanently delete it, you can choose archive instead of delete. Or what you can do is simply you need to go ahead and choose any chat from this chat section, tap and hold the particular chat and tap delete. Now tap delete again and this will delete the entire conversation. So in this way you can easily delete all messages on Messenger. You need to know that once you delete these messages, it won't be recovered later. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comments and don't forget to subscribe.